Hello everybody, welcome back to the iTunes Fanboy, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing an iPad Air 2 that I paid $88 for, but this one's a little bit special, as I'll put a screenshot of the eBay listing right now. And as you can tell, it is running iOS 10, and this specifically is running iOS 10.3 through 10.3.3, or at least should be. As the listing said, it came as pictured, but I didn't see the about page, so let's hope this is still running iOS 10. So let's go ahead and let's dig into package. Looks like it was packaged very well. Okay, so now we have this package. Let's go ahead and let's get this open. So it appears we have some tape to cut. Alright, there we go. Now let's go ahead and let's get into the actual iPad. Let's get the scissors out of the way. Yep, this is space gray as advertised. Oh, and it has the iOS 10 wallpaper. Already excited. Even though wallpaper doesn't prove that it hasn't been updated. Yep, and as you can tell, it is indeed running iOS 10 because of the lock screen. Oh wow, remember that animation. Yes, this is iCloud free. Now let's go into the about page. Okay, right here, as you can tell, it is unfortunately a 16GB model, but hey, it's an Air 2 that has been updated only at least at the most two major iOS versions. So I guess now, without further ado, thank you all for watching this video, and as always, I'm the iTunes Fanboy, and peace out.